everyone, it's me Nikita and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back after such a long time because I was so into myself that I couldn't get any time to make videos. But yeah, I'm back again with the vlogs, so I hope you guys will enjoy. And I had just made a vlog few days back about my college diaries, so I hope you guys watched that, but it was kind of short. So this time I'm making quite longer vlog and I'll be showing you everything which I do during my weekends. And as you guys got to know in that vlog that I have already started my second semester. I know you guys are shocked because I had not made any videos about my first sem, and suddenly I entered second sem and I'm making vlog right now. But yeah, I'll explain you everything in this video. And along with this I'll be showing you how I spend my day during my weekends. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy. So starting my day, as you guys can see, I cleaned my bed, I changed my bed sheet, and now I'm cleaning my table क्योंकि we get a chance only during weekends to clean our rooms. So firstly I clean my all the stuffs, and then I went for brushing my teeth and cleaning my face. And you know, skincare is the must because it's for our glow, and yeah, I try to maintain that. And I look so traumatized today because I had so many work to do. And now I'm cleaning my face. So I use Plum for my face, and it's been a very better for me because it has improved a lot in my skin, and I got rid of acne. And yeah, it's really good. I hope you guys also got your own face wash which is good for you. You know, Saturday and Sunday is the only day where you get to do all the things which you could not do a week. So अभी मैं जाने वाली हूँ कपड़े धोने के लिए, and I had a lot of clothes to wash क्योंकि एक हफ्ते में जितने भी clothes होते हैं वो मैं सिर्फ Sunday के टाइम में ही wash कर सकती हूँ. So okay, so right now I am washing my clothes. तो अभी मैं कॉलेज की बात करूँ तो माई क्लासेस स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 9:30 to till 3:30. तो अभी देखो, फर्स्ट सेम में हमारा क्या होता था, 9:30 से 4:20 तक होता था क्लास. बट अभी वी गॉट अ बिट लेसर टाइम. सो अभी मेरा 3:30 तक होता है क्लास, वो भी फ्राइडे के टाइम में तो 1 बजे ही ख़त्म हो जाता है. सो उस टाइम में मैं थोड़ा बहुत रिफ़्रेश फील करती हूँ आफ्टर सच अ लॉन्ग. एंड देन क्लासेस भी अभी तो अच्छा ही चल रहा है. वी फाइनली गॉट टू स्टडी अबाउट आवर ओन subject. Like मैं optometry से हूँ, so in my first sem we didn't have any subjects related to optometry, but now we are finally studying about our own course subjects, and we have got 4 main subjects. And yeah, it's going really good क्योंकि सभी 10th और 12th के related है, तो उतना ज़्यादा मुश्किल तो नहीं हो रहा है. but let's see later on क्या होता है. So I just washed my clothes and then went to the terrace to hang my clothes. So today the day was quite cloudy, so लगता है कपड़े सूखने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, but yeah, it's fine. अभी हमारे यहाँ तो गर्मी भी होना स्टार्ट हो चुका है थोड़ा थोड़ा. दोपहर को थोड़ा ठंड होता है, बट आफ्टरनून के टाइम में तो ज़्यादातर गर्मी होता है अभी. एंड सुबह थोड़ा ठंड होता है और रात को थोड़ा सा ठंड होता है. बट it's kind of very hot nowadays, and I'm just thinking how I'm going to survive during the month of June and July. And but still I love summer. I don't know why, but winter से ज़्यादा मुझे summer ही पसंद है. I just love this weather, but it's kind of irritating. And after hanging my clothes I just sat down to write some notes. मेरा थोड़ा बहुत notes लिखना था, तो अभी टाइम मिला है तो मैं थोड़ा सा notes लिख रही हूँ. And I try to maintain the notes as much as possible because बाद में जाके एग्ज़ाम के टाइम में मुझे ही आसान होगा और वो स्लाइड्स ढूंढना और पीपीटी ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा. So that's the only point. I make notes hand by hand. And finally I completed my notes, and अभी हो चुका था lunch time, so I'm going up for my lunch. तो आज था मैगी एंड इट्स माय फेवरेट। और निकिता चाय ना खाए ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता, सो आई जस्ट enjoyed my tea having with Maggie and I am kinda tea-holic, so yeah. So after having my lunch, I just went to my room and see the plant I have grown, and this is how I am flexing my nails. जिसका nail polish उतर चुका है, and see the view guys, the river, it's so pretty, it's looking so beautiful. तो अभी time था self care के लिए, so now I'm going for a shower, so yeah, bye bye. Let's do skincare with me. Okay, so let me show you my messy skincare routine, and it's not that good. Okay, so firstly I just apply moisturizer in my face and apply serum, that's it. And just apply gloss, and then I just apply lip gloss in my lips, that's it. So I will tell you the reason why I could not be active in my first semester. So it was because my schedule was very hectic. I had my classes from 9:30 to till 4, and I used to come by walking, and it would take me at least half an hour to reach here, and doing something here and there the time would go by, and I had to do my notes. So उसकी वजह से I could not take time to make videos, but in between I tried to make videos, but because time management was quite tough for me, इसलिए मैं वीडियो नहीं बना पाई. And मेरी इंटर्म की एग्ज़ाम की बात करूँ तो I had my interns in January. It was very long, and उस time में I guess I could not make vlog because I had some storage issues in my phone. See, my storage is very less in my phone. It's only 32 GB, so it's very harsh for me to make वीडियोस. 2-3 वीडियो बनाती हूँ और स्टोरेज फुल हो जाता है, इतना ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है. बट स्टिल आई ट्राई टू मेक व्लॉग्स so that you guys would enjoy watching my video, and I just love to record videos and upload it on YouTube so that it becomes memories for me as well. So that's the only point, and I'm sorry for not being active that much, but I am very active in Instagram, so you can follow me on Instagram to get my daily updates. And my second semester, it started on February, and in between I just recorded few videos and uploaded it in my YouTube as college diaries. So तुम लोग उसमें भी देख सकते हो. थोड़ा बहुत मैंने कॉलेज को दिखाया है और मेरा क्लासेस कैसा होता है, क्या होता है, वो थोड़ा सा दिखाया मैंने. You can go and watch, it's available in my channel, and that was the only reason. So yeah, and I'm already done with my skincare, and after that I sat down to watch Splitsvilla. So it's my favorite show guys, and I am also a K-drama lover, and time मिलता है तो मैं Splitsvilla देखती हूँ और K-drama देखती हूँ. So today we had a dinner which was chicken, so we ate that, and after coming back to my room I sat down to do my notes again. So for that I need to log in to my account in there is one app in my college, DZ Campus, where we get all the updates about our assignments, let it be anything, assignments, quizzes, and everything we just get there, and we have to do everything from there. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoy, and till then stay tuned and meet you all in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye, love you all.